Hello viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to the video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss simple Oozie simulation in Java. Okay. For that guys, what I'll do, right click here. So file, simple, Java project. Java project name I'm just writing as Oozie simulation. Okay. Click on finish. So Oozie simulation is created. In that I'm just writing here, right click, new package, com.demo, click on finish. And this I'll just write right click on this class, and the class name I'll just write workflow demo.java. Okay. So now I'll be writing a simple Java program here. So this workflow demo has start, node 1, node 2, node 3 and node 4. Now we are just starting this node. It will print start workflow, then reading the student's data, calculating student marks, generate report and click on end. Okay. So now if I just run this, it will start the student data, run the nodes, calculating total marks, report card, etc. Okay, so Oozie does this exactly. Instead of all this, it will call Hive method, Spark job, Pig job, what Java program and a shell script. Let us see one more example of a workflow decision. Okay, I'll just take one more as a demo. Right click, class. Here I'll just write workflow decision. Workflow decision. Okay, click on finish. Here marks are 65. Workflow is started. Calculating the workflow. If the marks are greater than equal to 40, then student is passed, else student is failed. So if I run this particular program, we'll see start the workflow, calculating the result, student is passed, end of the workflow. Very similarly, we can do fork and join, like inventory. Okay, let me create one more workflow. In the demo, right click here, click on class, just let me write workflow fork join. Okay, what is this? I'll explain you in a second. Okay, it's all about inventory, guys, generating the sales report, employee data, etc. Okay, let me show you the entire program. See the sales report, generating the sales report, all of these are methods. Employee report, inventory report. Here I'm calling simulating my exact fork. What is the sales report, then employee report, then inventory, then join. All the reports are generated based on my inventory. Exactly what Oozie does. So Oozie here will make sure these reports could run in parallel, and we are simply simulating the data here. Let me run it. See, generated sales report is generated, employee report is generated, inventory report is generated. All the reports are generated, end of the workflow. So this is a simple demo which we did. First demo which we saw, reading the student data, calculating marks based on the workflow decision marks. We have given student pass or fail. Same thing will happen in fork and join based on the sales report which we have done. It's a very simple explanation of Oozie. Hope you have liked the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.